Hey everybody, back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is how to do a brake stand, aka a burnout. What you'll need for this is a rear wheel drive vehicle and a manual transmission. If you're not sure that your vehicle is rear wheel drive, you should not be attempting this. First thing, let's make sure the traction control is off. Quick overview, press the clutch in, grab a gear, bring the revs up, drop the clutch, grab the brake, maintain the RPM. Alright, let's break this down. First things first, put the clutch in, select first gear, bring the revs up to about the middle of the power band, drop the clutch, get on the brake, maintain the RPM, and then ease off the brake to roll out. First thing to note when doing this is you want to make sure that when you release the clutch, you are quickly releasing the clutch. You do not want to slowly slip the clutch out or slip the clutch, because if you do, you can potentially damage the clutch. You want to be quick off the clutch pedal and onto the brake as quickly as you can. Next, when applying the brake, you want to make sure that you're not just flooring the brake. If you put too much pressure on the brake, what will happen is you will engage the rear brakes, which will fight the car from doing a burnout. You might ask, what does that look like? Now, for those who want to try a little bit more of a difficult technique, you can heel toe, which is engaging the brake and the throttle at the same time, and then dumping the clutch and grabbing the brake. This is done to keep the car completely stationary when initiating a burnout. Full disclosure, doing burnouts is very stressing and taxing on your vehicle, so please keep that in mind if you decide to attempt this. The longer you keep the tires spinning, the more heat you are creating, which will potentially lead to a failure. Please be safe if you decide to attempt this, and if you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like and subscribe.